Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a laptop camera not working in Windows 11 with easy to follow steps. So without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. Before going any further, we need to ensure that the laptop camera is not locked. On your keyboard, look for a dedicated key with a camera icon, then try pressing it. If that doesn't work, try pressing the FN key on your keyboard and the camera lock key. Also inspect your camera lens for any buttons or sliders and then try switching it to see if it fixes the issue. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and I, go to Privacy and Security, scroll down to App Permissions, then select Camera. Ensure that camera access is enabled and ensure Let Apps Access Your Camera is also enabled. Down here, also ensure the app you want to record with has the permission enabled. Also enable this option down here. Press the Windows key and I on your keyboard. Scroll down and select Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters. Under Camera, click Run. Once this page opens, follow the prompts on screen to troubleshoot the issue. Right-click the Windows icon, then select Device Manager. Click Camera to expand it. Right-click Integrated Camera, then select Update Driver. Click this option here. Once the update is done, restart your system. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and I. Go to Apps. Select Apps and Features. Scroll down this list here until you find Camera. Click the three dots at the right, then select Advanced Options. On this page, scroll down over here, then click Repair. Once it's complete, if the camera still doesn't work, click Reset. Right-click the Windows icon, then select Device Manager. Click Camera to expand it. Right-click Integrated Camera, then select Uninstall Device. Ensure that this box is not ticked, then click Uninstall. Afterwards, restart your system. Then Windows will reinstall the driver automatically. If you experience flickering issues or any other issues with your camera after updating the driver, we recommend going to the manufacturer's website and downloading the drivers from there. If you followed all the steps in this video and your camera still is not working, it's most likely a hardware issue. We recommend getting an external USB camera. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.